Today we're going to be discussing some extremely exciting Shiba Inu Coin news, so make sure that you watch till the end of the video so you don't miss any of this awesome news. What's up guys, my name is Zach from Finance Bro here. Today we're going to be discussing Shiba Inu Coin, why we're up 4.5%, and where we're going to be heading soon. We'll be going over technical analysis at the end of the video, as well as going over a few different pieces of different Shiba Inu Coin news. But yeah, make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. All you have to do is deposit $1 in public and you're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock. I have personally gotten a $300 stock of Amazon, $50 stock of Shopify, $50 stock of some other free stock that I got, but I get them quite often, so you might as well try out your luck there. The first link in the description. Also, go ahead and get signed up to our private Discord to get our buy and sell alerts if you haven't already. Go and use the second link. One-on-one interactions, as well as first looks into new cryptos we're looking into. Go ahead and get signed up with that second link. But anyways, yeah, today we're talking about Shiba Inu Coin. If you guys don't know, I actually did issue a buy alert on Shiba Inu Coin yesterday in our private Discord. I believe at around the 23.47 range, and obviously today we are up about 5 or 6%. I closed out that trade at about 6%. So if you guys want to join our private Discord, just killing it. But today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin news. Let's go over it. First, I do want to come here to quantify crypto. Basically, this is a way to check the trends of Shiba Inu Coin and other cryptos. We are not sponsored by them, by the way. I just like the website. But as you can see, we have moved from slightly bullish at the 60 all the way to 34 at the slightly bearish for a technical score. So obviously not doing too hot over the past 15 minutes when I refreshed this last. But we'll discuss that more and my technicals analysis on this a little bit later. There's a reason I just sold Shiba Inu Coin and notified our sold the trade that I put out in Shiba Inu Coin and notified our private Discord on that. It's not completely this, but it's also my technical analysis as well. We'll go over that some more just 1 second, but let's get into the news. So first, if you guys don't know, I did talk about this a couple days ago that there's going to be a new Shib Twitter community. Basically, Twitter communities are new. This is something that has kind of just started popping up, and Shiba Inu Coin is one of the first people to that space. So if you guys want to join, all you have to do is go to Shib token and then you click on this and then you press join. I already joined, obviously, but you're going to be able to send whatever you want in here, and it's only going to be Shib investors. When you tweet in here, it won't go on your profile. It'll simply only be in this chat room. So pretty awesome to see, and I'm sure this is going to be a new thing that us Shiba Inu Coin investors are going to be able to use. So yeah, very cool to see Shib communities doing some awesome stuff here. But anyways, also make sure you guys follow our Twitter. We have 906 followers, trying to get to 1,000, and yeah, 7K retweets, and we'll do something huge for Shib holders. So if you guys want to try to help us get there, go ahead and retweet this post. But anyways, let's talk about the next piece of news. 100 biggest Ethereum whales are grabbing Shiba Inu dip. Top 1,000 Ethereum whales now hold 59.2 trillion Shib tokens. That's worth billions, if you guys don't know. And yeah, personally, whenever these investors, these big whales, start to get into Shiba Inu Coin, I tend to be investing as well, because I know you're not going to put a ton of money into something if you don't believe in it, but they have started doing that. Shiba Inu, the second largest meme token in the market, continues to be one of the top choices for crypto whales, especially Ethereum bag holders. Ethereum whales have maintained the custom of purchasing Shib tokens on a daily basis. According to Whale Stats, Shiba Inu is one of the top 10 most purchased tokens by the 100 biggest Ethereum whales in the past 24 hours. As shown in the tweet, by the on-chain whales activity tracker, Shib occupies the 8th position on that list with the purchase of 647 million Shib tokens in the last 24 hours. So yeah, just a ton of Shib being bought, obviously, and these whales hold over $1 billion of Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is the second highest coin purchased by the top 1,000 Ethereum whales. You can see here Shiba Inu Coin is obviously, I believe they hold about $1.4 billion worth of Shib, which is 59 trillion Shib. So these big whales getting into Shib, you guys know how I feel about whales and them doing that. And the last piece of news here. Shib payments now accepted by Australian energy company through BitPay. So, payment service provider BitPay has announced that the Australian energy company First Energy now accepts cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu included, through BitPay. So yeah, First Energy becomes Australia's first energy retailer to accept crypto through a partnership with BitPay, making it easier than ever for their customers to pay their utility bill. So you're basically going to be able to pay your utility bill in Australia with Shiba Inu Coin. Very cool to see there. And yeah, basically, if you guys don't know, BitPay is how we're going to be able to be used as a form of payment on a lot of these different places, especially AMC and other online stores and apps as well. So just really cool to see. But anyways, let's go over the global crypto market. So currently we're up 2.29% over the last couple of days. I will tell you, we did issue some buy alerts yesterday because we saw kind of a turn in the market, and they are all up right now. So if you guys want, go ahead and join that private Discord. But anyways, Shiba Inu Coin is still sitting in that 15th spot, just about 200 million behind Terra USD. We could flip them in market cap here soon, but also firmly above Polygon Matic in terms of our market cap as well. But the volume here, $700 million or $700 million of Shiba Inu Coin has been traded within the last 24 hours. That is down 24%, which is obviously not too good. And you can see right here, the volume is still going down even after this recovery here. But you can see here the historical data. We have been under $1 billion for the past 3 days. That's not where we want to be, guys. We want to be in the $1 to $3 billion range, but obviously we're not there. Hopefully we can get there with the big push here soon, but you'll see in a second why I think that might not be totally possible. But the holding addresses have been on the up and up. We're so close to 1.2 million holders, guys. But anyways, let's discuss this technical analysis. You can see here Shiba Inu Coin is trading below the 28 resistance level and then above the 23 support. We are currently trending down on the MACD, sadly, and our RSI is also trending down. And we have seen 3 red candlesticks. Basically, we had a bull flag here, but we weren't able to break it, and that's when I decided to issue a sell alert at about the 24.56 area, or no, sorry, 24.65 area, and now it looks like we are going to be on the way down. So glad we could secure about that 5 to 6% gain for our private Discord. Go ahead and join. But I believe we will be trending down for a little bit here, maybe stopping at about the 23.7 area ish. I think we're going to see a bit of losses here, so I'm glad we got out of that. Obviously, I'm invested in Shib for the long term as well, so I want it to do well, but for our trade yesterday, I timed it pretty perfectly. But resistance at the 28 and the support at the 23, all you gotta know. Hopefully we don't break this support at the 23. I don't think we will. But anyways, go ahead and get signed up with Public with the first link in the description. Deposit $1, you'll get up to $300 worth of free stock. Also, go ahead and join our Patreon or our private Discord with the second link in the description to get our buy and sell alerts. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.